Okay, well today we are going to be opening Adorables Season 9. You can collect up to 50 of them. Let's go ahead and open this up. You can get 2 to 3. And we got 1, 2, and 3. Oh, and we got our checklist. In our checklist, we have The Bug Life, Soul, Cars, Zootopia, Mulan, Poos, Minis, and Luca, and the limited edition. We're going to start with this one. Oh. And his name is Siri Key. Not really sure how to pronounce that, but it'll be okay. So I believe his name is Siri Key. If I got that wrong, I'm very sorry. Now we are going to go with this one. Boop. And we got this little figure. His name is Ree, R-E-E. And if I got that wrong, I'm very sorry, but I believe that's how you pronounce it. He's super cute. I love him. So far we have 2 figures. And now we're going to do this one. Our very last one. And we got... Oh, look how cute he is. Let's see what his name is. Okay, I cannot pronounce that name, but if you can read it, then you try your best to pronounce it. I cannot pronounce that. I think it's something like that. But he is super cute, and so far we only have 3. Bye! Like and subscribe, please.